Welcome back to Replica Showcase, the place where we review the best replica sneaker with honesty and detail, so you know exactly what you are buying. Today we are checking out the Air Jordan 4 Netro Black Canvas from Nice Kicks shop. If you want to visit the site, the link is available in the description box, so make sure to check it out after the video. The Air Jordan 4 Black canvas is built with a clean black canvas, upper paired with great tunnel suede. On the islet and footwear and forefoot overlays, it keeps the classic AJ4 shape while adding a modern style look, simple tongue and super versatile. This pair really stand out. Now let's talk about Nice Kicks shop packs their sneakers safely with strong protection around the box so nothing gets damaged on the inside. The presentation is neat, organized and exactly what you expect for a quality seller. What it's come to quality, this pair is impressive. The stitching is clean, the canvas material feel durable and the sweet detailing give it a premium touch. Even the shape and structure are accurate, which is something true sneaker fan always. Now let's switch to the website view. Here is the home page of Nice Kicks shop. You will notice the clean layout, easy navigation and clear category like Jordan, Yeezy, Dior and Balenciaga. Everything is organized so you can find your favorite sneakers quickly without any confusion. When you open my product page, you get high quality image, full description, sizing, option and material detail. This is very important for replica buyer. Nice Kicks shop, make sure you know exactly what you are paying for. No surprise, no hidden detail. The website also offers worldwide shipping, secure packaging and regular discount detail. That checkout process is smooth and payment options are flexible and customer support is helpful. Overall, the website is designed to make sure your shopping experience simple, safe and fast. If you are looking for a reliable replica sneaker that balance quality and affordability, Nice Kicks shop is definitely worth checking out. They have a hook selection and a user-friendly shopping experience. That is it for today's review of the Air Jordan 4 Netro Black Canvas. For more sneaker review and website walkthrough, make sure to subscribe to Replica Showcase and do not forget Nice Kicks shops is in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.